DOLA Pro Full Length Advanced Customization. Intrinsic Rearfoot Post Grind. The DOLA Pro Full Length allows practitioners to grind in rearfoot post control straight from the packet without the need to glue on extra reinforcement or EVA material. Clinical markings including the rearfoot bisection line and the rearfoot post guide lines set at 3 degrees and 6 degrees aid in symmetrical grinding and accurate prescription. The DOLA Pro Full Length allows you to grind up to 6 degrees of Varus or medial posting and 6 degrees of valgus or lateral posting, allowing instant dispense or easy customization. For a Varus or medial rearfoot post, choose the guideline on the lateral side of the orthotic for your desired angle or amount of control shown as marked in white. Use a grinder to remove material from the lateral side up to your required degree. Then taper this angle towards the medial side to create a wedge, leaving the medial side full thickness. For a valgus or lateral rearfoot post, choose the guideline on the medial side of the orthotic for your desired angle or amount of control, shown as marked in white. Use a grinder to remove material from the medial side up to your required degree. Then taper this angle towards the lateral side to create a wedge, leaving the lateral side full thickness. For more how to use videos and the DOLA Pro Advanced Customization Manual, visit dolaorthotics.com.